Hello friends, today our topic is common drain amplifier or source follower. Now first we will see a basic common drain amplifier circuit. Drain terminal connected to VDD, source terminal connected to a resistor RS, VDD, and input signal is given Vin across the gate terminal. Now why the common drain says common drain? Because drain terminal, this is drain terminal, this is source, this is gate terminal is common. If we see the small signal equivalent circuit, then the VDD will be grounded. This VDD will be grounded and transistor equivalent circuit that will be represented with a GM VGS and resistor parallel, that is RDS. Now this is the RS, and when says common drain, we'll see the output taken from the source terminal V0. This is your source, this is gate connected Vin, this is VGS. Now when drain is grounded, it will be common to input and output terminals. So common drain amplifier circuit. Now what are the parameters we will find out? We will find out the voltage gain, AV, input impedance, ZI, output impedance, Z0. Now if we analyze this small signal equivalent circuit, then we can take this circuit where Vin is the supply, Vin, so we can write Vin equals to Vin will drop across VGS and across this resistor RS. So Vin equals to VGS plus V0. Potential drop across here, that is the V0. So from this we can write also VGS equals to Vin minus V0. Okay. Now another part, if we calculate the KCL at this node at A, if we calculate KCL at A, then we can see that the current that passing through this node, that input current and output current should be same. So input is GM VGS, current passing through this is V0. This terminal is grounded, so V0 minus 0 by RDS, that current is passing through this and another current is passing through in this way. So that's the minus V0 by Rs equals to 0. So from here we can find out that if you write here, then Gm Vgs is V in minus V0, and this is V0 by Rds minus V0 by Rs equals to 0. Okay, now if we simplify this, then we can take common V0. Now if we find out V0 by V in, then we can see that Gm by Gm plus 1 by Rds plus 1 by Rs. Now Rds and Rs are in parallel. Rds and Rs, this Rds connected to ground, Rs this terminal is connected to ground. This is the same terminal for both resistance, so both are parallel. So if we find out the parallel equivalent resistance, then this we can write this 1 by, if we say Rs dash is the parallel equivalent resistance, then Rs dash equals to 1 by Rds plus 1 by Rs. So now from the previous one we can write V0 by V in, that is equals to AV, voltage gain, equals to Gm by Gm plus 1 by Rs dash. From here we can write Gm Rs dash by 1 plus Gm Rs dash. Now this is the final voltage gain. Now naturally Gm Rs dash is greater than 1, so we can write this Gm Rs dash by Gm Rs dash, that's nothing but more or less equal to 1. So V0 by V in equivalent to 1, that means output voltage equivalent to input voltage. So as the output voltage is equivalent to input voltage, so it's the output voltage actually following the input voltage. So this common drain amplifier also says source follower. Okay, now another thing is that we have find out Rs dash, that's equals to Rds parallel Rs. Now as Rds is very high, on if Rds is very high, then this is more or less 0, so we can neglect this part. So actually Rs, in some cases we can neglect this Rds. Here if we neglect this, then Rs dash will be equivalent to Rs. So V out by V in will be Gm Rs by 1 plus Gm Rs, that's the voltage gain. Okay, now in this case when we are finding out the voltage gain, we have neglected the body effect. Now if we consider the body effect, then equivalent small signal equivalent circuit will be like V0. Now if you consider the body effect, then another dependent current source will come across, that is GMB VBS. Now VBS is equal to minus VSB. Now if we find out this circuit from the previous case, we also write V in. We have seen that is VGS plus V0, and V0 is the source to body potential. So we can write VBS equals to minus VSB, and potential VSB source to body is nothing but V0. So we can write V0 equals to VSB, that is VBS equals to minus V0. Okay. Now if we apply the KCL at node A, then we can write GM VGS plus GMB VBS minus this GM VGS plus GMB VGS, that's minus V0 by RDS minus V0 by RS, that is V0 minus RDS minus V0 by RS equals to 0. So here we can write GM VGS equals to, we know V in minus V out potential. Previously we have seen V in minus V out equals to VGS. So and GMB VBS is nothing but minus V0 minus V0 by RDS minus V0 by RS equals to 0. So from there you can write GM. From there we can find out V0 by Vn equals to GM by GM plus GMB plus 1 by RDS plus 1 by RS. Now we can neglect RDS, as the RDS is this part, we can neglect, as the RDS is very high, then it will become GM by GM plus GMB plus 1 by RS, as RDS is very high. So finally we can write GM RS by 1 plus RS into GM plus GMB. Finally we can write GM RS by 1 plus RS into GM RS, that's the voltage gain. Now if we find out ZI, the input impedance, now you can see from the figure this input impedance is very high, ZI infinity, as gate and source terminal are separated by dielectric. And if we want to find out the output terminal impedance, then we can replace that. We have to find out the impedance at this terminal, internal output impedance. So we can replace this with a voltage source. So if we draw the equivalent circuit, then it will be look like Zi is very high. Now output impedance, if we want to find out, then this is gate. So I am giving name the source, replacing that resistance with a constant voltage source VDC, and current passing through this branch is IDC. So output impedance Z equals to VDC by IDC, and that V in is grounded. So now we know V in equals to VGS plus VDC, here DC. Okay, now as V in is 0, so 0 equals to VGS plus VDC. So you can write VGS equals to minus VDC. Okay, now if we apply KCL at this terminal A, then we can write KCL at terminal A, then we can write GMVGS plus GMBVBS minus VDC by RDS plus IDC equals to 0. At this node terminal, this current is getting in, this current is going out, this current is getting in. So IDC plus GMVGS plus GMBVBS minus RDS, the voltage across that terminal is VDC. So VDC divided by RDS is current passing through in this direction. So from there we can write GMVGS is equals to minus VDC. So minus VDC plus GMBVBS is equals to minus VS equals to VDC equals to VSB. So we can write VBS equals to minus VDC by RDS equals to minus IDC. From there we can write VDC GM equals to IDC. Okay, so from there finally we can write, so VDC by IDC equals to, one can write 1 by GM plus 1 by GMB plus 1 by RDS. Finally we can write that RDS by 1 plus GM plus GMB into RDS. Okay, that's the. So if we neglect the body effect, then the Z out equals to, we can write RDS by 1 plus GM RDS. Now if GM, now finally if GM RDS is very greater than 1, then we can write RDS by GM RDS. Now that is equivalent to 1 by GM. Okay, thank you. So that is the output impedance Z0.